You have exactly 72 hours to decide if your peace of mind is worth $30 a month. That is the ticking clock you face the moment you download this wellness tool called Liven. It starts off so friendly, almost too friendly, with a colorful quiz that promises to map out your entire emotional landscape in just a few clicks. Most of us are looking for a way to untangle our thoughts without spending a fortune on traditional therapy, and that is where this app tries to slide into your life. It positions itself as a digital life coach, something you can carry in your pocket and talk to while you are waiting for the bus or brewing your morning coffee. The interface is slick. It is clean, and it uses a simple slider for mood tracking. You just move your finger to tell the app if you are feeling great or totally drained. There is no complex data entry, no heavy lifting for your brain, just a quick pulse check that takes maybe 10 seconds. Then there's Libby. She is the resident artificial intelligence companion, and honestly, she is surprisingly good at her job. She does not give those canned, robotic responses you might expect from a standard chatbot. Instead, she asks follow-up questions that actually make you stop and think. She pushes you to dig a bit deeper into why you are feeling stressed, or why you are feeling happy. It feels like a genuine conversation with a friend who is a really good listener. It is a way to vent without judgment. All of this sounds great for someone who only has 10 minutes a day to spare. But there is a massive catch that everyone is shouting about in the reviews. The price is steep. We are talking about $20 to $30 every single month for the full experience. And that 3-day trial is a blink and you miss it situation. If you forget to cancel by the end of that third day, you might find a hefty charge on your bank statement before you even realize you have committed to a plan. Users are reporting a lot of confusion around the billing cycles, and some people are struggling just to find the cancel button in the settings. That is a lot of extra stress for an app that is supposed to be reducing your anxiety. Then you have to look at the actual content. The guided courses, they feel a bit thin. They are more like short blog posts rather than deep, transformative lessons. If you are already familiar with basic psychology or self-help concepts, you might find the information a little too surface level. It's definitely aimed at beginners, people who are just starting to look at their habits and emotions for the first time. It serves as a gentle entry point for self-discovery, but the cost of entry feels disproportionate to the depth of the material provided. You have to weigh the convenience of a friendly AI against the reality of a monthly subscription that costs as much as several streaming services combined. It is a tool for building small habits, one tiny step at a time. But you need to be very careful with that trial period. Set a loud alarm on your phone. Mark it on your calendar, because those 72 hours go by faster than you think. It is a polished experience for sure. But the financial barrier and the basic nature of the lessons make it a tough sell for anyone looking for serious, long-term mental health support. Keep your eyes open and your wallet closed until you are absolutely sure it fits your lifestyle.